How to fix Discord not loading messages on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord not loading messages on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here you will find Discord. Click on it and click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Then just go back and go try again and your problem must be fixed. It's easy, but if that doesn't fix your problem, now it means that you need to update your Discord. So just open Play Store and then click update. Here you will find updates and then just restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.